What's the meaning of competitor? Competitor. Competitor.
Competitor. Competitor. A competitor is a person or entity that is engaged in a similar business or activity as another person or entity, and with whom one competes for customers, resources, or other advantages. Competitors are often viewed as threats to a business's success, as they can potentially capture market share and revenue that would otherwise belong to the business. As such, businesses may engage in various strategies to outperform their competitors, such as offering superior products or services, using aggressive marketing tactics, or cutting costs to offer lower prices.